It smells like Christmas. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. Today I'm excited because I have a large Grove order I'm going to get to show you, and it includes my pre-order from the Miss Meyers Christmas scents. So I'm really excited to show you how, or tell you later in the video how you can get those. If you're new here, I'm Lelia. I'm the mom here at the Hebert house. We do videos on cleaning, organizing, decorating. We also do videos on our pregnancy, after infant loss and trying to conceive, and a little bit about our home life, which is homeschool, hauls, everything. So if you would like to join our family, please just hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you to join us. So if you don't know what the Grove Collaborative is, it is just a monthly monthly cleaning supply subscription. Sorry, I couldn't get that out. And you can order, you don't have to order, you can postpone it a month, but they have all natural cleaning products that are usually plant-based and non-chemical, and I love that. In our house, we try to use as green as we can, and that includes natural cleaning supplies. So I've got a pretty good order here. I was going to show you, so I think I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you've been around the Hebert house long, you've seen this product, but I actually found out that they have a refill for it. So let me see if I can get it to show up. There you go. This is the Method Daily Shower Cleaner Refill. And I have one of these probably in every haul I've ever done with the Grove, because we use this every day when we get out of the shower. And so it's a reoccurring product that we order. And I just found out one of my really awesome subscribers let me know that they had a refill, and I got this. And I think the refill maybe was like $8, and each individual one is like $4. So it was definitely a really good deal. So I got that. I reordered these. These are the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes, and this is in the scent Garden Mint. Let me see if I can smell it. Oh man, I hate that the new Grove tape like tears the labels, but I'm also a weirdo about stuff like that. So yep, just smells like mint. So I got some of these. These are kind of like you would use like your Clorox wipes or anything like that. So I got those. I let my son use these when he's cleaning his bathroom. It's a little bit easier for him to clean his bathroom with these instead of getting a bunch of cleaning products out. And I like that they're natural, so they're not hurting him. Alright, I got another bottle of this. This is the Miss Meyers Room Spray, and it's in lavender. Their lavender scent is my all-time favorite. It's what I keep on hand year round, and this room spray is my favorite. Let me show you guys. Okay, well, I'll just show you like this. So that's it, and it just sprays. I use it on curtains, on my couches, on furniture, all of it, and it just makes the room smell so fresh. All right, the next product is this. This is the Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleaner. So I've used the Method Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner like for a year now, and it's my favorite bathroom cleaner. It's a little strong, so I've had a little bit of trouble using it while I've been pregnant, but I love it because it gives you that bleach smell without having bleach, and bleach equaled clean to me for so long. So I really love that bathroom cleaner. But then I saw that they had an all-purpose cleaner that you can use on counters and just different surfaces, and with flu season coming up, I wanted to get it. So I did that. I wanted to try. I've never smelled their citron, something like that smell. Okay, it smells like pine sol. No. Yeah, I think it does. It kind of smells kind of like pine sol. So that's that. So I'm excited to use that, especially with flu season coming up. And then I got this, and I'm not sure if I ordered this by accident or if they gave it to me, because I don't have it in like my list. So this is a little mini. It's the Full Circle Tiny Tea Mini Brush and Dustpan set. And it's just like this tiny little brush and dustpan, so you can use it when you're cleaning. And it's really cute. I love it. It says safe for you, non-toxic, earth-friendly materials, responsible living, sustainable choice. So this will definitely come in handy when I'm sweeping. And then I did get a free item with my order, and it's the Spices Flour Sack Towel. to open that up and let you guys see. I love their kitchen towels. I usually actually end up using them in my bathroom, but this one's really cute. If you can see it. See all that? So it has like all the spices. Mace, basil, marjoram, tarragon, mint, black pepper, sage, and they just keep going and going, and it's a really large towel. I don't know if I can show you how big it actually is in bed, but it's really cute. This would be really cute to use as decoration, or even to like frame as decoration, because it's that cute. So thank you for that. All right, so the next part of the order I have is my pre-order from Miss Meyers with their Christmas scents. I love their Christmas scents last year, but this one is one that I ordered last year and I ordered again this year because it was our favorite. So I got the Iowa Pine scent. Y'all, it smells just like a Christmas tree. Like 120%, just like a Christmas tree. Let's see. It smells like Christmas. So I got in this, I got the multi-surface spray. I got the hand soap, which is great to put out at Christmas time for guests. And I got the dishwashing liquid, which we use all the time. And that's all the scents for Iowa Pine. And then in the kit that I got with my pre-order, I got this red Grove cleaning basket. You see that? And I also got this green tea towel. Well, it says fur green organic kitchen towel. But like I said, I use these in my guest bathroom, not in my kitchen, because they're really pretty and they are nice for like guests to be able to wipe their hands on. And they're really sturdy, so they stand up to a lot of washings. So this is the towel. And same thing with the flour sack, it's very large. So I'll use that in my guest bathroom. So what's really cool about this set is Miss Meyers is actually doing the Grove is doing a promotion right now where if you spend $20, you get this kit for free. So you get the whole thing, you get the Miss Meyers set, the kit, and everything. And I'm gonna leave a link below. I will tell you, it is an affiliate link, so that does mean that me and my family get a little something back from you using my link, and it just allows us to get our cleaning supplies either cheaper or free, and I can keep making these videos for you for the Grove. So if you want to use the link, I definitely appreciate it, and you get a lot of awesome stuff for free when you try it out. So the Christmas scents are now available on the Grove, so check them out. I think there's like this one, and then there's like orange clove, which smells amazing. It smells like apple pie. And then there's a red one too, and I think that one's peppermint. I'm pretty sure it's a peppermint one, which I'll probably order with my next order just to get all of those to use during Christmas time. So that was my Grove order for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really looking forward to getting back to making cleaning videos for you guys. So if you have any ideas of cleaning videos you'd like to see around the holidays, whether it be like guest room or how to prepare for holiday guests or clean before the holidays, let me know down below in the comments and I'll try to get those made for you guys. I hope y'all have a great day. God bless.